I see so many design firms make the mistake of relying on advertising or outsourced marketing to generate leads for their business and to build brand awareness. And the problem with that is that most clients are going to look right past them. They're going to look right through them. They'll see them as just another design firm in a crowd of thousands, and they'll never really build a brand because they've portrayed themselves as selling design services as a commodity. So how do you rise above the noise? How do you get your ideal clients to truly see the value that you can bring to their projects, to their businesses, to their lives? Well, for starters, you need to understand the difference between advertising, marketing, and positioning. Hey, Jay Krakowski here, founder of Profitect by Design, helping great designers find their ideal clients. Now, you might be saying to yourself, advertising, marketing, positioning, aren't those all just buzzwords for the same thing? Actually, no. There are important differences between the three, notions that can make all the difference in how you generate leads for your firm and build your brand awareness. So let's take advertising to start. An analogy I like to use is you are in the middle of a huge rock concert and it is loud and you are shouting at the top of your lungs, "I'm an architect, I sell design services A to Z, and do you need your house designed? Well, I'm over here in section 212, come on over. Yeah, I see, I'm way over here, you come get me." So when you advertise, you're essentially just adding your name to this huge list of other architects and designers, and you're not standing out. You're not standing as one of the few, you're standing as one in a sea of many. And when you take marketing as an idea, and this starts to refine it a little bit, you're able to tell potential clients and colleagues what your niche is, what type of work you love to do. And in your online content, you might be putting out how-to videos on YouTube. You might be doing a behind-the-scenes site walkthrough of your framing, but just showing framing, not really connecting a story or an idea with your potential clients. And most likely on your website, you're showing beautiful, pristine pictures of finished spaces, usually with not a single person in them. How is a potential client supposed to connect to an empty room? All of that to say, marketing is telling the world what you do, the things that you do in your day-to-day, the skills that you've developed through school and through training and through licensure and credentials and all that good stuff. Bottom line here is you're showing your skills. It's a commodity to be bought or negotiated and bought, similar to the band t-shirt at the merch stand at the end of the show. Now, how I see the term positioning is when you deliver your unique message and your proprietary method to your ideal client. You're highlighting the journey and the transformation that you've brought to past clients and that you can bring to future ones. So in a way, and we're gonna stick with the rock concert analogy here, there's a spotlight now coming down on you and your ideal client, and you can only see each other in this huge arena of thousands of people. Your ideal client sees that you are the perfect one to support them on their journey in their project. See, it's not all the years of schooling and licensing and credentials and training courses and photography of past projects and all that crap. It doesn't matter. Your client, your ideal client, cares about one thing. And if you can deliver them this one thing, then they'll pay you double what they're willing to pay anyone else. They want to know that you get them, that you understand them, and that you are the one to guide them on that journey to transform their spaces, and their businesses, and their lives. But they also need to see that you are going to deliver it in a unique way that goes above and beyond what they're paying you for. Now, if you don't know how to communicate this, if you haven't positioned yourself and your firm as the market leader or as the go-to in your particular niche, then you're going to be stuck with all those whining clients or the underpayers or the late payers or the ghosts, but not before they've drained all of your energy. Look, understanding these 3 terms is great, especially if you plan on outsourcing or having other internal staff take care of your marketing efforts. But putting them into practice in your firm is really powerful, and I want to teach you how. I've laid it all out in my online workshop, the Profitect Blueprint, which you can watch right now for free on demand. Click the link in the description below and let me show you the 5 critical insights that you need to understand to stand in the spotlight, not as the unseen architect, but as today's Profitect. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know all about future videos. I'll see you in the workshop.